Cleaning a convertible soft top helps maintain its appearance and protects it from damage caused by dirt, stains, and sunlight. Fortunately, there are simple and effective ways to clean and protect your convertible soft top, helping it stay in great condition for years to come. For cleaning a convertible fabric top, start by rinsing it gently with clean water. Avoid using a high-pressure washer, as this can damage the stitching or seams. This initial rinse helps remove loose dirt and dust from the surface, preventing scratches when you begin scrubbing. After rinsing, apply the convertible fabric top cleaner evenly across the entire surface. Be sure to spray enough to cover the material, but avoid letting it pool or run onto painted areas. Once the cleaner has had time to work, use a soft brush to gently scrub the surface with light pressure. Focus on areas with visible dirt, stains, or bird droppings. If you encounter mold or mildew, continue working patiently with the cleaner. Avoid harsh scrubbing, as it can damage the fabric. Once the scrubbing is done, rinse off the entire cleaner with clean water. Make sure you rinse thoroughly, leaving no soap or foam behind. Any leftover cleaner can attract more dirt or interfere with the waterproof coating of your soft top. It might take a few rounds of rinsing to get it fully clean, especially if the top was heavily soiled. After rinsing, gently blot the surface with a clean microfiber towel, or let it air dry in a well-ventilated, shaded area to prevent damage. If there is still some dust or lint on your fabric top after drying, using a lint roller can help remove it. Gently roll it over the surface to pick up any remaining particles. This step is not always necessary, but can make a difference if your roof was especially dirty to begin with. After the fabric soft top is completely dry, apply a fabric guard designed to protect against moisture, stains, and UV damage. This helps keep the fabric looking new and extends its lifespan. Spray evenly and follow the product instructions, applying multiple coats if needed. Let it dry fully before drying or lowering the top. By following this easy and effective method, you can effectively clean convertible soft top. For cleaning a vinyl convertible soft top, a convertible vinyl top cleaning and care kit is ideal. It provides fast cleaning that removes stubborn stains effectively, keeping your convertible top looking fresh and well maintained. Using the included protectant helps restore the original color while creating a strong barrier against staining and sun damage. This protection not only enhances the appearance, but also extends the life of your soft top and covers. Regular care with the right products ensures your convertible stays beautiful and durable for years to come.